I'm Mark, president of the Nevada Northern Railway here in Ely, Nevada, and I'd like to welcome you to this episode of Iron Horse Cookery. You know, everyone knows preserving the steam locomotives is very important, but it's actually the story of the people. During the day, these guys would work 16-hour days, didn't take a break for lunch or dinner. So what they did is they actually cooked on the locomotive. So what we're going to do is recreate different recipes that they would have used during the days, and we've also thrown in a couple of modern twists. So sit back, relax, enjoy this episode of Iron Horse Cookery.
Hey guys, we're back here today in the number 3 Caboose at the Nevada Northern Railway in Ely, Nevada. We're going to make up some hobo stew. So this is a really simple, easy recipe. You can find it in the Nevada Northern Railway Iron Horse Cookery cookbook. And it's basically a really easy one because you can just kind of throw everything in there and let it stew. So that's what we're going to do here today. I'm just going to kind of prep it up here, and we'll probably do a little bit of time lapse here, so you don't have to watch this. But basically, I'm just going to throw all the different ingredients in here and stir it up real good and just let it cook. So guys, while I'm doing this, cutting up these potatoes, you know, most of the time when you're cooking, it's pretty important to keep your potato sizes the same so you get a consistent cooking time and everything comes out cooked. But you know what, in stews, they cook for so long, it's not really an issue. They can kind of be oddball sizes and stuff like that. So we just get chunks in here, and then we'll add the rest of our ingredients once I get these potatoes in. Alright guys, I got my potatoes in here. We're going to throw the rest of the veggies in. Just on top. A lot of this stuff is easy to pre-prep if you're traveling or anything like that, especially on the railroad. You can do this before you leave and have it anytime on the line. So we're just going to dump all of this in here. And then we're going to dump in our spice pack here. You can find that in the cookbook as well. I just mixed everything together first. We'll dump that in. We're going to add some beef stock. You can also use chicken or turkey in this recipe. You don't have to use beef, but we're using beef. Beef meat and beef stock. So you just dump that whole thing in there. And a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. And we stir that all together. And I don't have anything to stir it with. That works. And then we just stir this all together. Just to get everything cooked down and or down into the juices and everything like that. Make sure the spices are well mixed in. Make sure that you got your veggies and everything mixed so everything cooks together and evenly. And then we just lid this up. And in about an hour or two, you got hobo stew.
Okay. Hello, I'm John Tyson, engineer on the Nevada Northern. We're on engine number 40, built in 1910, and contrary to popular belief, I was not around at that time. But anyway, when these engines were out on the line, these guys couldn't always stop and have lunch, so they brought their lunch with them. And that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be cooking lunch, breakfast, dinner, anything you want, right here on the locomotive, and you're going to be very impressed, trust me.
Alright guys, it's been about 2 hours or so, and our stew is just about ready. It's all cooked down, and look at that, it just looks wonderful. Hobo stew in the number 3 Caboose at the Nevada Northern Railway Museum.
I hope you enjoyed this episode of Iron Horse Cookery. The cookbook is available in our gift shop or online at NNRy.com. Check it out, have fun, and by all means come visit us at the Nevada Northern Railway right here in Ely, Nevada.